Hello friends, my name is Vivek. In this particular video, I will guide you how to use Tinkercad and make a complex circuit. What type of circuit we will actually make today? We will make a circuit where we will connect three LEDs and it can glow one by one. What it means that it can glow one by one? That means it will create an effect. It will create an effect like what we see in actually in Tuni lights, Diwali lights, that type of thing. So let us go and do this. So first of all, I am joining tinkercad.com, and then you will go to circuits and then create a new circuit. This particular video is developed in English language, just I can connect to more people's. So please like the video and share this video if you like the tutorial, since I make videos on Hindi language and Indian language. So if you love English, so I will just make an English video for test purpose. So first we will go, and what we will do here, okay, we will search here Arduino. So I got an Arduino right here. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just go and search for an LED light. So I got an LED, right? So since we will connect here up to 4 LEDs or like 5 LEDs, so we will use 5 LEDs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I'm not using any breadboard because I don't need it. Then what I will do, I will here search for a resistor. Why we will need a resistor? To decrease the voltage, to increase the longevity of the project. For many purpose, the light directly gets glowed off, so or it will destroy the light. So actually it is mandatory to use a resistor. You can connect the resistor to the 13th number pin where you will actually use the LED, or you can connect it to the ground. So I will directly connect it to the ground. And what I will do is I will connect all this particular LEDs using one connection called as cathode connection, and the cathode will be directly connected. So like see, like this, so all the cathodes will be connected to all the LEDs. Okay, here you can see that I have connected all the LEDs cathode together. Okay, so what I will do, I will just there is a resistor. So what I will do is I will just connect this particular resistor terminal to one of the cathode, and it is actually putting the resistor down, right? So it is not a big issue. Okay, so put the resistor above and then drag one pin to the ground of it. I know the circuit is not looking cool, but it's actually good. So it is not looking cool. Okay, how it is looking? It is looking great because it defines the actual reality. It defines the actual reality of the project which you will make at the beginner level. So that is how it looks cool. I know it sounds crazy, but it is good. So what I will do is I will connect parallel to each and every pins, like I'm using from 7 to 2. Okay, so I'm just connecting to 5, then I will connect this to number 4, and then I will connect it to the this particular LED. Now I want to see that the LEDs should look of different colors, right? So first of all it is red, then it will turn to orange, and then we have here orange blue, this is called green, and the last one should look white. Okay, this is the 5 colors which are available in this particular process. So what I will do, the designing part is over. Now what we will shift is to, here is an option called as start simulation, and there is an option called as code. So I will press on the codes, and here you can see this particular blocks. This is the block based coding. Okay, so what I will do is I will not do a block based coding. I will directly shift it to direct code, but you can do the block based coding right here too. So what I will do here, so here is the option called as the built-in LED. Okay, so what I will do, you can just change this particular thing, built-in LED, and here is an option called as delete block. Here you can see the built-in LED, and here is an option called the set pin. You can drag this particular box here, and you can set the particular pin, like number 7 pin I'm using, right? So I will do it for the 7 pin, and then I will turn this 7 number pin high. And similarly, what I will do here, I will just press on the right click and duplicate it, this particular thing. No, sorry. So now here you can see that the set pin high, number 7 high, then again it will be low for 1 second. Like it will do it for only number 7. If we start the simulation, we can actually see number 7 pin doing the particular thing, but not the other lights. So just what we want is that after this, this LED will be on, after that this and this. So in the block-based coding, what you need to do is just you need to duplicate it. So as soon as I duplicate, I will just paste it here. And since I will just do that, I will set that particular pin in the sections. So I just did this for this particular light. So what I will do, I will just again duplicate it. So here you can see only one thing. Oh, sorry. Then after that, what you need to do is that we will duplicate it again, and then I will change the pin to number 5. So after that, number 5 will glow. Okay. And then similarly, what you need to do is that for this number 4 is the work that should do. So after that, I will connect it to last number, that is number 3. So what I will just do here, I will drag this particular thing here from the output section, and then what I will do is to go to controls and then drag it here. So I'm using number 3 pin, right? I'm using number 3 pin, and I will do the same process again and again. So it is just doing the particular thing, and for this particular, I will connect it to the low. And now if I start the simulation, you can actually see the particular process is working. So after that, this LED goes off, that will go below, then this and this, and then at the end this one. Actually the code is working properly. So what I just need to show you is that since we build it through here this particular block section, we can actually see the real code in the blocks and text, where we can actually see the code, that is the pin mode is actually defined as the output, because we are taking the output decision, right? Since we are giving it to high and low from the code section, it's actually working automatically. But if we want to automate if we want to manually control this, we need to give an external input. Okay, that will be external input, which will be defined as the pin mode, some pin, and there is input. But here everything is output. And here we can actually see that the digital pin number 7 pin is high for 1 second, and actually it is doing the same thing again and again. Delay 1 second, delay 1 second. What does delay means? Delay just stops that particular board for 1 second. Okay, so you actually can change this. So here you can see that the set pin number 7, that is actually the code for the digital write. And if you want to see that the wait, that the control method, which is actually the delay. Okay, hopefully you have understood, right? So what I will just do here to make it more and more creative, you can actually change this. So you just need to go to the text section, right? And there you can change this. So here I just want to recommend you to go for 0.1 second. Want to see the fastest thing working on the internet, right? Everyone wants everything fast, right? So here you just need to be very much clear with the codes, that the digital write, pin mode and all that, which will actually innovate you, because the text section is the actual part of the particular board to understand and to operate. Lots of students and lots of engineering students I get to see that they just make the project. They don't understand. The understanding the particular thing is very important, right? So here you can see actually the code working, and which we actually see in the market, right? So let's see here. I know this is the Tinkercad, but the actual demonstration looks right good because I already made it number of times. So here you can see that even in the particular area, you can see this is actually very fast. Yeah, it is very, I mean, you can even see the actual change, right? So you can actually do it for 500 milliseconds. Now you can see that in the 500 milliseconds it's looked right good. Okay, so here using one resistor also you can control this much of lights And even here you cannot see any exclamation mark, which identifies the LEDs are glowing blue in a good condition. So what I will suggest to you really is to do this type of connections and don't get into perfectness. Okay, so you just need to be very clear with your concepts, and then the project will be looking excellent, right? So what you need to do is just to like this particular video. Hopefully the video entertains you and have given you uh, something good or something knowledgeable. So I don't think so that this tutorial was very knowledgeable, but actually I think you have learned some about the basics of the block programming and also some basics about the text programming. Okay, hopefully the video entertains you. Till then, bye. Subscribe to the channel and like this video.